To list a digital download on Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account and going to the Shop Manager section. From there, click on the Add a New Listing button. Choose the type of listing you want to create. In this case, a digital download. Enter a title and description for your digital download, making sure to include relevant keywords that buyers might use when searching for your product. The title should be concise and descriptive, while the description should provide more details about the product, including what it is, what it can be used for, and what file types are included. Next, set a price for your digital download. Consider the time and effort you put into creating the product, as well as what similar products are selling for on Etsy. You should also consider the file size and type, as well as any licensing restrictions. Now, upload your digital file to Etsy. Make sure the file is in a format that can be easily downloaded by buyers, such as a PDF or JPEG. You can upload multiple files if needed. And you should also consider adding a preview image to give buyers an idea of what the product looks like. In the shipping section, select the option for digital download. As you will not be shipping a physical product, you should also set the download limit, which determines how many times a buyer can download the product. Finally, review and publish your listing. Make sure to check for any errors or typos, and ensure that your listing is complete and accurate. Once you have published your listing, it will be live on Etsy and available for buyers to purchase. Best practices for listing digital downloads on Etsy include using high-quality images and descriptions, setting competitive prices, and providing excellent customer service. You should also make sure to follow Etsy's policies and guidelines for digital downloads, and consider offering refunds or exchanges if a buyer is not satisfied with their purchase. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully list and sell digital downloads on Etsy.